This is the Irontrader. It is Monday morning, so it's time to go to work. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, before we get started here, this is bar chart. Okay, so anytime you want to know what futures contract that you're in, you can just click on bar chart. You can go to anything that you want. Right here is natural gas, so this shows you exactly that we are in the September contract. Okay, so what you can do crude oil, you can do whatever you want to do. But that just shows you exactly what contracts that we are going into here. Okay, so as the time progresses here, you can see right now you're sitting at 203. That's your September contract. You can see how price is going to be rising all the way on up here until we get here all the way to the February contract. Then she starts coming off here a little bit here. Okay, so just go to barchart.com here, and then you can find up any contract where the roll is on anything that you'd like. Okay, let's go and take a look here at the old crude oil. Okay, here we have crude oil, a daily, a weekly, and your monthly chart. Okay, so here's what we have. Okay, so we had this big ass red candle here last week, and you notice that it went right into that 8 simple moving average. That's why I always pointed out how key that 8-day is. Okay, went into 200, couldn't come down. Now that 8-day crossed over that 21-day, the 100-day, 50-day, the 200-day, and now it just looks lower. Okay, so the only way that this price is going to go any higher is you got to get above and close above this key 8 simple moving average. Okay, so let's just take a look at the upside here first. So we have today's high here. You had 77.69. That's going to be your resistance, and then we're going to be looking at this key level here at that 78.02, and then we have that 78.67, your 200-day. And then we can come right over here to the top of here, looking at 79.13, and then 79.41 is your 50 SMA here. Now, again, if you can get above all that here, which I highly doubt, then you can go look at 80.22. Look at the bottom. You look at the bottom of this candle, 80.45, and then we're really looking at here is this 100-day at 80.63, and then right above it is 80.78 here. Okay, so that's what you're looking for here on the upside. Now, downside, obviously, you want to watch Friday's candle. Okay, so you want to watch that 76.19, and then here is going to be the key level is that 76.04. So we just take that price channel right across. Okay, 76.04. That's a key level that we're looking. So now we have a trading range. Okay, so your trading range is going to be the 76.04 on the bottom. Okay, and then watch that 8-day 78.02 on the top. Okay, so one way or the other here, but you really see when you have this 8-day coming over here that provides strong resistance. Going to be very, very tough situation. Okay, so don't have no opinion. Just trade what's in front of you here. Okay, so just watch that 76.04 on the bottom. Now, again, if that is lost here, well, then what we'll do is we're going to come right down to this level here. You're looking at that 75.23 level, and then we'll come over to the top of this candle. You're looking at 74.33, and then we'll have the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 74.06, and then we can just continue on 73.98. 72.82 and then 72.48. But your next big target here, if this 76.04 is lost, is you want to just take this price channel right across and come right there. That's exactly where she'll come here if it breaks that level out there. So bottom line, 2 levels to watch today. Just trade that range 76.04 on the bottom and that 78.02 there on the top. Now, RSI here isn't showing us anything. This here is bearish. That is a sell signal when that green crosses the red, and doesn't look like it's doing any kind of a turning. It just wants to go lower here or sideways action. Now, when we look at a weekly chart here, you can see the series of lower highs and lower lows. That's never very good. So far, we have an inside week, but again, the day started, 10 minutes ago? So, that's no big deal. But what we're looking here on the upside is you really need to reclaim this 200-day at that 77.55. Then if you can get up there, then we have this 78.95, and then we got everything's all jammed right up here, 79.74 and 80.39 here. So everything is very, very strong resistance here, but the key level here is going to be that 77.55. Now, when we look on the weekly chart here, you can see that we do still have a nice series of higher lows here. Okay, so you have a low, higher low, and a higher low situation. So what you really want to do is you really want to hear about a month 74.43. That's going to be very, very key level, and then we have that 200-day right below that. Let me see if I can just get that up there for you. Okay, then we have that right below that. You're looking at 73.29. Okay, so everything is right there. But actually, the weekly chart here is still looking very, very good because we have that series of nice higher low situation. But this daily chart is looking very, very bearish. So what I'm looking forward to is just scalping this level here until she either going to break lower or we're going to break above that key 8 simple moving average. Okay, let's take a look here at old natty gas. Okay, here we have natural gas, daily, weekly, and monthly chart. Okay, now remember that contract roll today, just like I showed you, just go to bar chart. It's got anything on there you want. If you want to know whenever the roll are. Now, crude oil rolled last week, natural gas rolled this week here. So this is what we got. So we had it rallied up here to start when the futures opened, but you notice that where did it go? Right there into that 8 SMA here. Okay, so this is why you trade the charts. Don't let anybody bullshit you. All charts are after looking at because they just don't know how to trade them. It's just that simple, okay? So you already know exactly where to go, right into the 8 SMA, okay? So now take a look at the upside. 2.1010, that's the key level, okay? You have to get above that. If you do, then we can come over to the top of this candle. You're looking at 2.15. We have 2.17 here, and then we're looking at the 100-day at 2.20, and then right above it, we have this 2.24. That is going to be all your key levels here, but the key is going to be this 8-day. Now, we notice that here is rolling off, rolling up. Now, it looks like it flattened out here, but we got to see how this is all going to shake out, okay? So, downside, well, right now you're sitting at 2.03. Well, you got 2.02, then you have 2.01, but realistically, this is the key level right here, okay? Friday's low, 1.99. That's what you want to watch, okay? 1.99. Again, if that loses that 1.99, okay? We have here, you have 197, 195. Bottom line is 1.90. That's your target. That's it. That's the gap. That is your target. Now, if it goes below that, well, you can come all the way down here to 1.67. Very, very easy, okay? So just watch that here. So this is what you want to trade today, okay? This is what we're looking at the trading today. 1.99 on the bottom, okay? And right here, this key 2.10 on the top. That is your trading range. You break above it, well, we know where we're going. You break below it, you're going to that 1.90. Just that simple. Okay, now, we do have this positive divergence on this RSI that I've been pointing out here for, I don't know, about a week now. Okay, so this is actually positive divergence where we had that low. We had a higher low here, we had a low here, and then we had that lower low. So you have positive divergence, just like we had this negative divergence going on over there. Okay, so this is all working. Now, your MACD, you're getting into that oversold condition here. But again, this could ride it out. This could be a sideways action. So just don't have no opinion. Just trade that range. 199 on the bottom, 210 on the top. That's what we're looking for today. Okay. Now, on a weekly basis here, we really like to get up here to this 2.0 level here. That 21-day lines up very, very nice here with the 100-day. Okay. So that's what you want to do is that's what we're looking for on a weekly basis if you can get back above. But when you look at this 8-day, see how this 8-day went? Close right below that 50-day. Now you head for that 21-day. This is going to be huge resistant levels right here. So if you can get above there, then you're going to be looking at that 8 SMA here, 2.37, then 2.45 here on a weekly basis. So by Friday, we got to see how this is all going to shake out. Now, here on the monthly chart, well, you know, this isn't really showing a whole lot here, okay? Your 21-day rolled all the way on down. Your 8 days rolling down. We have topping tail here for last month here, and you got a big-ass red candle going on this month. So really nothing here to write home about. You really have to get back above that 2.17 here, and then we could rally up. If not, we can come right down here to the bottom of this candle here. This is looking at that 1.96 level, and then we can come all the way down to 1.52 level. Well, let's not go there. We have, remember, we have that gap and that fill over here on your daily chart, okay? So bottom line today, upside 2.10, downside 1.99. Trade that range till she either breaks up or she breaks down. Okay, I'll be back here midday trading. We'll take a look at old crude ski, natty gas, and then we always throw something else in the old mix. Now remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want or what you think is going to happen. That doesn't work. That doesn't make you any money. Okay, thanks for watching.